What's going on, guys? My name is Kevin Griffith and this is the Holler Barbecue. So today we're talking Christmas morning and we're gonna be digging into an old cookbook from my church back in Mississippi. Today we're gonna be doing a breakfast casserole. Stay tuned. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're talking breakfast on Christmas morning. Now what I want to show you here is basically a tradition that when I was growing up, my mom used to make for us. Not only is it delicious, but it's super simple and very easy to do for Christmas morning because it's kind of like a make-ahead thing so that when you wake up on Christmas morning, you just basically throw it in the oven or smoker, what we're going to be doing today. To get it going. So it makes it really easy on Christmas morning when it's all hectic. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're starting off with a pound of your favorite breakfast sausage, whatever that may be. Go ahead and just brown that up really good. And then while that's browning up, we're gonna go ahead and take 5 eggs, 2 cups of half and half, and just season it with about a teaspoon of salt. And then beat that really good. And once your sausage is basically finished, browning up, just set it off to the side and let it start cooling down. And then we can go ahead and start putting this thing together. Browning that sausage is basically the hardest thing you have to do. Now all we're gonna do is I'm using basically a 13 by 9, just a glass dish. It's safe to go in the oven, safe to go in my smoker. I'm gonna take half a cup of melted butter and just pour into our pan. And I'm gonna be sure to get the butter mixed all around really good. All right, now you're just gonna take about 6 slices of bread, just pull it apart, chop it up, whatever you need to do, into smaller pieces, and just go ahead and put into that butter mixture. Now what I'm doing here, I got half and half for my bread. My wife can't eat gluten, so I'm using some of her bread that is gluten-free. I'm basically doing half of it with this. And then the other half I'm doing with normal bread for me and my daughter. Now the way this thing's mixed up, the gluten-free, you wouldn't even be able to tell anyway, so it's kind of doesn't matter. All right, next thing on top of our bread, we're gonna go ahead and take that sausage. If you got a lot of fat in it, go ahead and drain that out. Go ahead and just dump that over your bread pieces. Get it kind of even as you can get. We can come back in here and spread it around. Make sure you got pretty good even coating of your sausage around. All right, next thing is take about a cup and a half of your favorite cheese. I'm using just regular cheddar cheese. This is a Tillamook. Sprinkle it on top, whatever you want. If you wanted to use, pepper jack would actually probably be really good with this. Colby jack. But today I'm just using cheddar. And just sprinkle it around all even. All right, then the last thing is just take that egg mixture that you made up and just dump it over the whole thing. And guys, that's it for setting this thing up. So now all we gotta do, I'm just gonna put just gonna cover it up. Then we're gonna take this, we're just gonna pop it in the fridge. And see guys, this is what makes it so easy and simple is you've already got it pre-made. It's ready for Christmas morning. So in the morning, we'll just pull this back out of the fridge. You can put it in your oven, you can put it in your smoker. I'm gonna put it on the silverback, about 350 degrees. So I'll see you in the morning. All right guys, it's the next morning. So all we have to do is basically turn our smoker or oven on to about 350 degrees. Just grab our casserole straight out the refrigerator. Put it straight on, get it closed up, and in about 40-45 minutes. In the meantime, let's go open some presents. All right guys, so it cooked about 40 minutes. It's all done now. It's been cooling down for just a few minutes. So now time to cut into it. So see, not much to do while you are either opening presents up or, you know, making your Christmas calls. Pretty simple. So let me go ahead and cut some out. See if we can get it out. It's still pretty hot. Well, there you go. And what I'll probably do, guys, is just make me up some toast or either some hash browns or something like that to go along with it. You know, there is bread in there already, so maybe some hash browns. Let's give it a taste. And you could add, you know, if you wanted to add sausage or something, or we already got sausage, but if you want to add bacon, you could add bacon to it. Get a taste. Mmm. We gotta try it out, guys. If you do, let me know. Put below what you think about it. And that's gonna be it for this video. Super simple breakfast casserole. As always, you got any questions or comments, go ahead and put them below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And always, holler back.